everyone, this is Kathy with Frankly Natural Beauty, and I don't know if you watch our embeds video that we did before. Actually, we're going to use those embeds for this. We're going to make bath bombs because I got a new mold. And this is actually from Dean Wilson's web page, and he has a tutorial on YouTube too. If you guys want, I can link it up for you. And Emily Leffer, right, has the same recipe that she uses for her video, and that's what we got ours from actually. But also from Dean Wilson. We kind of took it a little bit. We added a couple things in here, but like I said with the embeds in the other video. You gotta make your bath bomb recipe yours, because sometimes it doesn't work for everybody. For everybody, the recipe that you get online or anywhere, or somebody gives it to you, buy it. You have to tweak it a little bit. I tried a lot of recipes before I got the one that I liked, and I like this one. I modified a little bit. You can do the same thing. Sometimes you have to use a little bit less liquid, sometimes a little bit more. It depends where you are. How the weather is in your area, if it's very humid or it's too dry. Okay, so that's what we have in here. We have a baking soda, citric acid, Epsom salt, white kaolin clay, and I don't have SLSA. I have actually powdered milk in there, powdered buttermilk, and I'm going to use micas from Nurture Soap. I'm going to use this one over here. Wild raspberry, strawberry, and butter glitter. I'm going to put it in there, and I'm going to use a little bit of sparkly, super sparkly environment glitter. Sorry if I can't talk today. I'm tired. And Caribbean blue mica powder that's approved for this kind of stuff, right? For bath bombs, right? No, actually, we're not going to use this. This has not been approved. Sorry, I grabbed the wrong mica. Yeah, don't use that one if you have it. Do not use that one. Don't use that. I think what we're gonna do, we're gonna use this one over here, right? The purple. Okay. And we're gonna put actually blue embeds inside. And I'm gonna show you they came out really cool. See, guys, they are beautiful. So when you put in the bathtub, what's gonna happen? It's gonna have blue water. Yep. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna mix this together with our fragrance oil and with poly 80 almond oil and a little bit of rubbing alcohol right here. It's all in here mixed up. And I like to use a pipette because I'm going to do by hand. I'm also wearing a mask, and I'm not wearing goggles, but I should, but I'm wearing a mask and a hairnet, and I sterilize everything over here because we've been working all day on this kind of stuff. So don't forget to do that. Everything clean and sterilized, and don't forget to wear a mask because the stuff is very fine. All the stuff that we have in here, and irritates your lungs. So let's do that. All right, I'm gonna start mixing my baking soda mix here. I don't have the citric acid in here. I don't like doing it like that. Some people do it, just my preference. So, and I'm not gonna use my mixer. I use my little electric mixer, but this time I'm not going to. I'll just use it by hand. So if you don't have an electric mixer, you can do that too. You can do just what I'm doing. I'm not putting my colorant in here yet, because I like it doing this way. I like it splitting it up a little bit after. Okay, so there we go. So the air here in this area right now in Washington State is still bad. It has been really bad for almost a week. We had a lot of fires, and Kelsey's having a hard time breathing. She's coughing a lot lately because of the air was so bad. But they said it's gonna be getting better this week. Well, I just feel bad for all the people that lost their homes, and not just in Washington State, but in California and Oregon. Hopefully everything is gonna get better. And all the animals too, they lost their lives and their homes in the forest. Right, Kelsey?
Right.
Okay guys, I'm gonna be mixing this, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like after it's mixed, okay? Okay guys, I can't use my mermaid tail mold because I don't know why, but the mix, when it's pressed on in there and stuff, I tried everything. Tried to use the oil to get it out. I tested cornstarch, it doesn't work. So it gets stuck in the mold and it crumbles out. So I don't know why, but I'm gonna start figuring. I gotta have somebody to tell me how to use this mold, because that's the first time that I'm having problems with any molds really that I can't figure it out. So if anybody's out there and you bought this mold and knows how to use it, let me know, because I don't know why it doesn't come out. So I got another mold. It's a Cheshire, right, Kelsey? Cheshire, how do you pronounce it?
Cheshire.
Cheshire cat, okay? And we're gonna use this one because the colors are perfect, and we're gonna do that one. And I'm gonna put some in here, a little bit in this tail, put some pink. This works perfectly. I already made one, and I like it. Works really well. Yeah, I never had something that I could not figure out like that. So I'm kind of upset right now because I can't figure that out. This one works. I already made one. I used it before. This is a good mold. All the molds that I have work, and this is the first time. I want to use my blue embeds. Blue embeds here. I'm going to use 4. I think 4 could be okay. There we go. So they can have a blue water. We can have some pink ones, like purple pink later. Now I don't have any purple embeds, so I'm gonna make. We're gonna do what we're gonna do. And these are bigger bathrooms too than the mermaid tails. Yeah, I was really excited to use that, but for some reason it's not working. They're crumbling up, and I decided not to do that, not to use them. But this one is working great. So what I do, I just do the sides over here with my fingers, pack it up, not too much. Do the rest of it. And then I use my little cutter here for my soaps and stuff. I'm going to level it out with that. Okay. Now we put it on our tray. There's a lot of stuff here. And it comes right out. Look at that. Isn't that cute? And I am going to paint him a little bit too with some mica. Because I think he look cool. And I'm going to redo the eyes and the grin a little bit. Or maybe just leave it like that. What do you think, Elsie?
I think you should leave it like that.
Just want to leave it like that?
Yeah.
Okay. So and I'm just gonna see how many this mixed, and we're gonna be finished. Okay guys, so this is the finished bath bomb, and I'm gonna drop it in the water and see how it performs. And there we go. And this doesn't have any SLSA. It has milk powder. And doesn't float as much, but it does. But look at the beautiful colors. Elsie, can you just go there? And there's a little bit of glitter in there too. So let me see how it bleeds the blue. Isn't that pretty? Sorry, I don't have it in the bathtub, but just couldn't do it in the bathtub today. Oh, look how cool they are. Well, if you want your kiddos to have fun, this is a really good bath bomb because it has nice stuff in there too. It has milk powder, buttermilk powder. Look how cool that is. See, and it foams still. The milk is really nice. It gives it a nice and luscious foam. And your skin feels fantastic when we do this. Alright guys. There we go. Let's see if I can get the water over here to show you the water. It's gonna be kind of hard because this is a small bowl. Yeah, but I don't know if you can see the water, Kelsey.
Not really.
Well, it's gonna go down because you know the buttermilk fizzes and has a lot of a beautiful foam. Well, here you go. The water is blue. See that? Blue water. Yeah. And it doesn't stain your tub because we have good stuff in there. Look how cool that is. Alright, there it is. So I hope you liked this video, and please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.